Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to another 1/64 scale video. And today I have my probably last RLC car I will either ever buy, or this will be definitely the last one for 2025. Because why I'm saying that is because they went stupidly overpriced in my country, and I am, unless somebody makes a very low deal, maybe I'll get something, but it doesn't look like likely. The only things I will definitely buy in the future will be more Dodge Chargers if they come out more. That's that. So this is the Chevrolet 1959 Chevrolet Brookwood. So this is a very cool one. I was very hyped when I had the chance to get this one. And this one was for the for the basic price, which is 40 euros. So here's the very cool design going on right there. So you got the car right there, red line, Real Riders. There's your Spectre Flame paint colors and everything, custom paint metal works. There's also a full-on description on the back. When talking about standout cars from 1950s, the 1959 Chevy Brookwood should definitely be the conversion. Okay. This oh no, it's conversation. Okay, sorry. This gorgeous long roof features a timeless hot rod style with a raked lowered stance that is topped off with period correct Real Riders, stock car chrome wheels, and white wall tires. Sweet custom graphics over ice blue Spectre Flame paint tie into the custom interior that you can check out with the opening diecast tailgate. You'll need some cubic inches to get this beast moving, so be sure to open the hood to check out the So Fine Chevrolet 409 with dual quad carburetors. What can we say? We like our wagons long, low, and cool. So there you go. There's the description, and here is the car. So this thing looks phenomenal. Yeah, this thing looks very cool. Okay, let's get it off the base. Usually it's easy, but this time it's a bit tricky for some reason. Come on. I never had issues with you. Oh, there we go. Got it. Come on. Got the front. Why can't I get the back? Oh, there it goes. Okay. So I got the acrylic case off. Here's the model itself. It says Hot Wheels right there on the plaque. Oh, some type of plaque, I don't know, the base. Where the model is. I really don't want to touch it with my fingers, but I will have no choice here. Because I don't have like gloves like Lamely does. I used to have gloves for the 1/18 scale cars, but those are long gone. Okay, there's one. Here's number 2. Should fall off any minute now. Okay, there we go. It is in my palm. And it is metal. Okay, for a second there I thought it was a little bit. Why is the base plastic? It's not. I can take these plaque pieces off. Put those there. And here's the model itself. Like, that color is insane. You can see like me and my camera in the back. Normally you can't see me. You can almost see me. You can see my beard and my ear. But that is mostly what you can saw from me. Here's the interior, looking very, well, pretty basic actually, because it's all white. Could have done some blue detailing on it. It's metal on metal, of course. Rubber tires. The white walls look insanely cool. Here's the front. It's all painted, of course, or the decals and stuff like that. It should have the opening back, which it does. There you go. There's the tailgate that opens. It looks very nice. shuts and stays shut very nicely. Let's check out the engine. There you go. Dual quads right there. Looking very nice. Got like the matted sides around the engine, which is super cool. Wait a minute. Oh, for a second there. Okay, that's very cool. I love that the detailing is also underneath the hood, so it's not just basically just a basic hood. Yeah, this thing is very, very fancy and good looking. So what does it say on the bottom here? 2024 Chevrolet Brookwood. It's not numbered, so that's that. Well, there you have it, guys. The Brookwood, and it does roll also, so no issues whatsoever. This would have been very cool as a lowrider. They could have done lowrider with this one. Maybe in the future, imagine like having the lowrider feature and also the hood opening back. That would be something. But yeah, there you have it. A quick and very nice video on this amazing looking car. I don't have this model in any other example in my collection, so this is the best example for now. And yeah, I think it is very awesome. So out of 5 stars, I give it 5 stars. Of course, the perfect part would be if it had like lens, the front headlights, the tail lights. That would be just very, very good. But that's more for Elite 64 line, not RLC. But I think they could pull it off some very cool things with this one if they would put it in the Elite 64. But that's my thoughts. So leave a like, subscribe, all the usual stuff, and it would really help me out to grow this channel. So I also respect the comments if there are any like good ones to say, because every single time people or somebody comments, it gives me more motivation to keep going with this. I think I would be going even if nobody put any comments or likes. I would probably still continue making these videos, but because I'm mostly making them because I just want to talk about the cars. I don't want to write everything because I tried that and I just got really bored quickly, super quick. Can't say enough when you're writing, at least for me. So yeah, there you have it, guys. And again, I'll ask and I'll say thank you, everybody. So who does watch my videos and leaves likes and stuff, comments. Yeah, so that'll be it for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.